What up? I'm Brandon Victor Dixon.
And I'm Brian Terrell Clark.
And you can catch us in the American Broadway musical, Hamilton.
And in the spirit of President's Day, today we are doing a little Founding Father trivia, Hamilton style.
Some celebrities got presidential ties, like Tom Hanks. He's a third cousin 4 times removed from Honest Abe. And Ben Affleck not only wrote Good Will Hunting, he's also Barack Obama's 11th cousin.
Please tell me that it's true that Ben Affleck and Barack Obama are related.
It is true.
I always knew Barack Obama was related to Batman.
How you like me now?
This president ran his family's peanut farm when he was younger, and also was the genius who invented peanut butter. He filed a UFO sighting before he was governor. His name is Jimmy Carter, Nobel Peace Prize stunner.
So, did Jimmy Carter invent peanut butter?
He did not invent peanut butter, but he did run his family's peanut farm, and he even had a giant peanut-shaped balloon in his inaugural parade.
Naturally. What would you have at your inaugural parade?
I would have a big old face of Oprah and blow that mug up and fly away. You get a car! You get a car! You get a car!
Bill Clinton changed the game of appealing to the youth. He went on live TV and played the didgeridoo. It's evident he's married to the game no settlement, the only president whose wife also ran for president.
Okay, so did Bill Clinton fiddle with the didgeridoo? I really wish that Bill Clinton did, but this one is fiction.
Bill, is that you?
You might recognize his face from the $20 bill. Andrew Jackson, the first Democrat on Capitol Hill. He had a pet parrot that he taught how to cuss. It sweared at people at his funeral and wouldn't shut up.
Okay, don't know if I believe there was a cursing parrot at Andrew Jackson's funeral.
Ha! It's a fact. Jackson purchased a parrot as a gift for his wife, but the foul-mouthed fowl seemed to take after him.
If you had a parrot, what would you teach it to say?
I can't say on camera.